These awards are given to learners who have been observed to consistently demonstrate the DepEd core values, makatao, makadiyos, makakalikasan, at makabansa. Again, ito ay binibigay after each quarter, hindi po ito binibigay at the end of the school year. Pwede rin po itong ibigay during flag raising ceremonies. And sa Conduct Award, pwede rin yung mga i-recognize yung mga very honest na bata, nakakapulot ng mga kung ano-ano at ibinabalik. Okay? So, 2.1 character traits for kindergarten to grade 3. Itong mga parangal na ito ay binibigay sa mga batang learners, mas bata, to affirm their positive traits and attitudes or to recognize significant improvement in their behavior. Teachers can choose from but are not limited to the character traits listed in Appendix 2. Okay, yan dito. Tingnan ninyo, Appendix 2. So, may mga option din na ibinibigay sa mga creative or unique titles para sa bawat parangal